Take a ride in the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, power driver's seat. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.